because then again, I'm low on cash. I'm low on some things. Finances most importantly. And the finances is what will make me buy the gifts for this girl.
Thank you.
So if then again, 3 years throughout, I've been getting you gifts, I've been wishing you and stuff like that. And this particular year, I've not been able to do that. Please, you have to give me a break.
That's
You can't
what
just block me just like that. If that's the case, I feel like then this girl actually needs this guy for something in particular. You don't really love the person.
Him. It's because of what he does for her.
You don't really love the person because why? It's been 3 years consistent.
He's done with
just
him.
one time that I miss him because I'm low on cash. You just block me out of nowhere. Please, let's be realistic.
Yeah.
If you have we've had relationships or we are in relationships and that happens to us, come on, you know that this person, me as a friend, I'll advise you know this person is not in for whatever you are being through. And let's just say this is a relationship matter, but let's just say this is marriage. What are you going to do?
Exactly.
Are you going to just leave the house?
So what do you advise?
So like
what do you advise?
So for me,
he should be relaxed. He should relax and be reserved and see what happens.
Just hold on, because then again, you said it's about emotions.
Yeah.
So once she's out of it, she will come back. She will not block you.
Yeah.
Oh,
yes.
really?
And then now you have to use your common sense to know that this person is this person for me. And in case I run low on cash some other time again, is this what is going to happen?
Thank you.
Okay.
But in the
story,
but if you think that this is like, oh, she's emotional and maybe like she like obviously like she's acting like a child or whatever, and I'm going to like go ahead with it, or I'm going to, how do I say it? I'm going to like accept this person as she is, then in the future, what will you guys be doing?
Exactly.
Okay, so the advice right now we have to give is that right now you are saying that
I feel like the guy should be lay low, go and get money.
So
he should go and get money, sort his family out, and then come back to the girl.
And what's your advice as well? What's your advice?
Okay, to me, I feel like the guy should, because he will know where she stays. Because I mean, he's trying to call the girl and then it's blocked. What's the reason? You don't know the reason.
Yeah, he said he loves her.
No, maybe
he has given the reason already that this girl, knowing very well that.
Wait.
He didn't watch
her. Look at something. He is saying that the girl has blocked him. Does he know the reason?
It's because of the birthday.
No, how do you did the girl text? He stated the
reason. A breakup message came.
It's a breakup message.
That it was because of the birthday.
And then
Girls are loud.